I really want to buy this new comic book. My little piggy bank has 0 coins inside today.
Hello, Leo. Why are you looking so sad today?
I need $5 to buy a special book.
You can earn $5 by cleaning my car.
That is a great idea. I will do it. I will use this large blue bucket for water. Now I need to find the liquid washing soap. Ah! Ha! Here is the big bottle of green washing soap. Let us go outside to the silver car now. The silver car is very dusty and needs cleaning. I am filling the blue bucket with cold water. More green soap will make the washing much better. The green bottle is completely empty on the ground. I will mix the water to make white foam. Look at that! The bubbles are growing very fast. The white foam is covering the concrete driveway floor. Oh dear, there are too many white bubbles here. I cannot see the silver car behind this cloud. The white bubble mountain is too high right now. Help me! I am completely trapped inside the foam!
What on earth happened to my concrete driveway area? Where is Leo? Do not move, Leo. I will wash this away.
Thank goodness, Father. You saved me from bubbles.
You are safe now, but look at this mess. The wet driveway is incredibly slippery and very dangerous. Why did you use the whole bottle of soap?
I thought more soap would make it cleaner, Father.
Always read the instructions carefully before using cleaning soap.
I understand now. I will be more careful next time.
Let us wash the silver car correctly together now.
Oh,
Keep scrubbing, Leo.
look how shiny it is now.
Great job, my boy. You worked hard. Here is your $5 note, Leo.
Working safely and following instructions makes every chore much happier. I want to earn some pocket money for a new toy.
Our next-door neighbor needs help with his pet dog.
I can walk a dog easily and earn the money.
You must be very careful with animals outside, Lily.
Look at this beautiful brown dog. He is very friendly. I have the strong red leash in my hand now.
Walk the dog around the big public park safely, Lily.
This public park is very beautiful and spacious for walking. The energetic brown dog is being very good and calm. Earning pocket money with this job is very easy work. Oh no, Rover! Stop pulling the red leash so hard. The brown dog is running too fast. I am slipping. No. Oh no. Somebody help me. The strong dog will not stop running.
I can hear Lily screaming for help on the lawn. My goodness! The large dog is dragging her away. Rover! Hey, Rover, slow down! Boy! Hey, Rover!
Hold on tightly to the leash, Lily. I am coming. I must catch the long red leash right now. I have a firm grip on the red leash handle.
Stop running, you big dog! Stand still immediately!
Thank goodness, Father, you stopped the unstoppable brown dog.
This large animal is far too strong for you, Lily. I am keeping him safe with me.
Oh my goodness! What a terrible and muddy disaster happened!
Lily, your clean pink t-shirt is completely covered in black mud. I am very sorry, Mother. I only wanted to earn money.
It is all right, my darling. We are glad you are safe.
Never walk a large animal without an adult standing nearby. Your personal safety must always come before earning pocket money.
I promise to stay near you during every walk, Father.
Let us return home now to clean off this black mud.
I will use this wet cloth towel to clean your face.
The wet fabric towel is removing all the messy black mud.
My face feels very clean, and I am completely comfortable now.
The neighbor sent your pocket money note for the hard work.
I earned my pocket money, honestly, by working very hard today.
Always follow the safety instructions and walk with an adult companion.